Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore 35 free crochet cup cozy patterns for your cups, mugs, and even ice cream. As always, you can find all the links in the description box below. Before we jump right in, please take a moment to subscribe. It really helps a lot. Number 1. We begin with a crochet heart cozy, simple and stylish to convey the message. Spread the love. Number 2. Moving on to a beautiful textured little grid for your cup of coffee. Number 3. The Crooked Coffee Cup Cozy is an easy crochet pattern with an interesting construction. Number 4. Modern, minimal, and perfect. If you are into the farmhouse trend, this is the coffee cozy pattern you need. Number 5. This coffee sleeve will hug your cup just like a rustic winter sweater. I love the stitch definition in this one. Number 6. Going into a cute cozy, this crochet fox will have people around you smiling. Number 7. The Kendall is a big cup cozy for maximum coverage of the cup so you don't burn your hands. Practical. Number 8. This one is a mug cozy, which means it's tailored to a mug with an opening for the handle. Number 9. We are moving on to the most intricate pattern I could find. The Celtic Waves Cup Cozy will make heads turn. Number 10. A classic stitch in a modern household item. A super quick project, great for gifts. Number 11. Did you know you could make a can cozy too? What an awesome idea for your cold beer in the summer or ice-cold tea. On number 12, we have a perfect example on how the simplest stitches can create such a nice and textured fabric. Number 13. Another example of a mug cozy, this time featuring the mini bean stitch. Number 14. The ribbed stitch in this one can make it easier for you to hold your cup, and the tiny hearts are just adorable. Number 15. These cute cup sleeves are big enough to cover your whole cup, and they also serve as coasters because they have a bottom. Genius, right? Number 16. Didn't I tell you we are making cozies for everything? Here's a ridged bottle cozy for your favorite beverage. For number 17, moving on to my favorite, as these little baubles are the cutest thing ever. Number 18, and there's something I haven't seen before. The Twisted Cup Cozy looks exactly like a headband. What an amazing idea! Number 19, and we are back again to cute ones. This cat ear cup cozy would make a great gift to a cat lover. Number 20. The Country Cottage collection has many amazing designs with the same stitch pattern, and this coffee sleeve is one of them. Number 21. The Star Stitch is a cute one, and you'll have the perfect opportunity to master it with this mug cozy pattern. Number 22. I am happy to report that even though I found lots of heart cup cozy patterns, each one was unique and different from the others. You have lots to choose from. Number 23. Another simple and elegant crochet cup cozy pattern. This one would work well for men's gifts too. Number 24. Watermelon is always associated with summer. How cute would it be to hold your ice-cold coffee with this sleeve? Number 25. And yes, I found another watermelon cup cozy. Totally different than the previous one, but equally cute. Which one would you choose and why? Number 26. This cute and lacy cup cozy comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, so it can fit in any cup you own. Number 27. I don't know about you, but I believe that buffalo plaid is always trendy for winter. Number 28. A Stash Buster mug cozy with the always classic granny stitch. Number 29. If this lumberjack crochet sweater for cans isn't the cutest thing you have ever seen, I don't think we can be friends anymore. Number 30. You can say goodbye to sweaty cups and wet, cold hands with these coffee cup sleeves. Easily adjust this pattern to fit any cup size. Number 31. And yes, ice cream cozies do exist, and they are so practical. I have no idea why they aren't more popular. It's an amazing idea. Number 32. You guessed it. This apple mug cozy would make a great and quick teacher's gift. Number 33. Easy and seamless, with amazing stitch definition, These cup cozies are quick to make. Number 34. The puff stitch looks great on anything, and I love the combination with all the other stitches and the tweed yarn. And for number 35, we have this chunky coffee cozy with the waistcoat stitch that looks like knitted. My favorite kind. And that's a wrap for today's collection. Please share in the comments below your favorite one. Be sure to watch the next video that's on your screen right now for more crochet inspiration. Bye.